Bro! Let the cat go, bro. Bro!
It's begging. It's begging.
Shut up! I'm trying to clutch! Oh, shut up!
That's Oreo?
No, it's my penis, man. It's my penis. It's my penis talking right
Oh god.
now. My teammates are so ass. My teammates are so ass. My teammates are so ass. And they're bots too. They're actual bots. We're AI. We're full AI. And they're body blocking.
Before AI, yeah, man. Yo,
Okay,
bro.
I think I'm actually done recording.
Bro.
This is enough gameplay. Oh my god.
I guess it's enough gameplay, son. I'm trying.
Hold on, wait. I might clutch. I just want to get first place. Ooh, I'm second place. I'm second place. I was third place. I'm second place. I just need one more kill. Why does it take so forever to reload? Sound crying, son? Shut up! Stupid bitch!
Let it go, bro. Yo! Yo! Oh my god.
That cat is begging for its life, bro. What the fuck?
I was too, bro.